ongoing thing.
So the Galaxy Fold got launched, and truth be told, it's a nice device. It's a really great one. But then there had to be a problem. Like, not everything that gets launched that's brand new to the market is perfect. Let's say for the iPad Pro. The iPad Pro is a very great device, but then the problem that comes with it is that it bends. The MacBook Pro is also a very great device, but then one of the major drawbacks of the device is that it overheats, and also the keyboard is just so bad because of the new mechanism that Apple put in. And then now here Samsung brings out a new device, super nice, foldable, a new concept to the market that might change the future of us towards phones. But then there's a problem with it, and it's that the screen breaks. Like, most of the devices, just either one half of it or three-quarter of it just turns black or just starts flickering, and that's not good. For a $2,000 device, you expect it to be perfect, but truth be told, you can never get a perfect device that's kind of new to the market. So a few years back, the Note 7 blew up. And why? Samsung tried to put in a very huge battery inside a very minimal body, and that never worked. It had to blow up. There was just too much. Now here, the screen is so nice, but then I just don't know what the problem is. But then this problem with the Galaxy Fold is that the screen only kind of like just stops working or has all these problems. If only you peel out the upper layer, which many people might think it's a screen protector, but it's not. And Samsung did not warn you. There's nowhere written on the box that you should not peel that off. If they could have just written those few lines of text on the box that do not peel that off, then the device could have been perfect, but not literally perfect, because for this, then you might think that later on, if you don't happen to remove it, what might happen in the future, what might do that. But let's not point fingers at Samsung. Like, you guys made us buy this expensive device, and yet it has drawbacks. Give it some time. Give it about, in 5 years, the way we look at the Galaxy Fold right now, it will be very different. All of us will be like, that's the future, that's what I want to get. For right now, at $1980, that's not what you want to get. You might just keep hold of your money, either wait for the Galaxy Note 10 or get the S9, of which to me is, you'd rather get the S9 because it's better. It's not that I hate the Note, but I've seen the leaks. I might just pop it up on my next video, which might come in like maybe tomorrow. Yeah, but tell me guys what you think about the Galaxy Fold. It's a great device. 12 gigs of RAM is amazing. Multitasking up to 8 tabs, amazing. But the screen is just a problem. Great design, great body. It's just a premium device that feels premium, and you might want to get it. In fact, there's no need for me to telling you not to get it, because it's a great device. It's really great, but just get the S10. It's that way. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, drop the comments, like and share. Thank you guys.